Navigating the cloud, key strategies for smooth migration. In this video, we'll be discussing the crucial topic of cloud migration. Cloud migration is becoming increasingly important for modern businesses, offering numerous benefits such as cost savings, scalability, and improved performance. In addition to driving digital transformation through modern technologies such as Gen AI, data analytics, agility, and much more, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of the entire cloud migration process, from planning to optimization, to ensure a smooth transition for your organization. Following, we are going to discuss 12 steps for cloud migration. 1. Planning and assessment. 2. Aligning with organizational goals and strategy. 3. Deciding on cloud model. 4. Choosing cloud deployment approach, private, public, hybrid, multi-cloud. 5. Cost-benefit analysis. 6. Designing the cloud architecture. 7. Data migration strategy. 8. Application migration strategy. 9. Testing and validation. 10. Execution and migration. 11. Post-migration optimization. 12. Skills and operating model. Planning and assessment. Proper planning and assessment ensure a clear understanding of objectives and the current IT environment, paving the way for a successful cloud migration. The first step in cloud migration is to clearly define your objectives and goals. Understand what you aim to achieve, whether it's cost savings, improved scalability, or better disaster recovery. Next, assess your current IT environment. This involves inventorying all applications, servers, and data storage solutions to get a complete picture of what needs to be migrated. Identify the workloads that will be migrated, considering factors such as criticality, complexity, and dependency on other systems. Finally, choose the right cloud service provider. Evaluate providers based on reliability, security features, compliance certifications, cost, and support services. Aligning with organizational goals and strategy. Aligning cloud migration with organizational goals and strategy is crucial. Ensure that your migration supports the broader business objectives and long-term vision. First, align cloud migration goals with the organization's overall goals. Coordinate with various departments to understand their needs and priorities. Engage key stakeholders from different parts of the organization early in the process to get buy-in and ensure smooth execution. And finally, maintain continuous alignment throughout the migration process with regular communication and alignment checkpoints. Deciding on cloud model, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Choosing the right cloud model is crucial to meet both business and technical needs effectively, ensuring flexibility, control, and management efficiency. First, evaluate the business and technical requirements to determine the most suitable cloud model for your organization. Understand the needs that each cloud model addresses. Then, determine which cloud models are suitable for different workloads by considering factors such as flexibility, control, cost, and management complexity. And finally, assess the benefits and trade-offs of IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS to decide which model best fits your organization's needs. Choosing cloud deployment approach, private, public, hybrid, multi-cloud. Selecting the appropriate cloud deployment model ensures data security, compliance, and meets scalability and flexibility needs while managing costs and complexity. First, assess data sensitivity and compliance requirements to determine the appropriate cloud deployment model. Second, evaluate the scalability and flexibility needs of your organization to choose the right cloud deployment approach. Then, consider the cost implications and management complexity associated with private, public, hybrid, and multi-cloud approaches. Finally, determine the optimal deployment strategy based on your organization's specific needs and constraints. Cost-benefit analysis. Cost-benefit analysis involves evaluating all costs and anticipated benefits of cloud migration. Developing a detailed business case helps justify the migration, and budgeting for unforeseen expenses is essential. First, estimate the costs associated with cloud migration, including initial setup costs, data transfer costs, and potential downtime costs. Then, evaluate the long-term operational costs, such as ongoing subscription fees, maintenance, and support costs. After that, Analyze the benefits of cloud migration, including cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved performance. Finally, develop a detailed business case based on the cost and benefits to justify the migration. Budget for unexpected expenses by setting aside a contingency budget. Designing the cloud architecture. Designing a robust cloud architecture ensures scalability, resilience, and compliance, meeting future demands and safeguarding against failures. Start with developing a detailed migration plan that outlines timelines, resources, and milestones. Then, design a scalable and resilient architecture that can meet future demands and withstand failures and disasters. And finally, make sure to plan for security and compliance by considering the necessary security measures and compliance requirements. Data migration strategy. An effective data migration strategy ensures data consistency, integrity, and security, facilitating a smooth transition to the cloud environment. First and most important, determine the most suitable data migration approach, whether it's lift and shift, replatforming, or another method. Second, plan for data transfer and synchronization by considering bandwidth needs and ensuring data consistency between old and new environments. Finally, and equally important, ensure data integrity and security during the migration process by implementing encryption and data validation techniques. Application migration strategy. A detailed application migration strategy ensures that applications are transitioned smoothly, maintaining functionality and operational efficiency. First, inventory all applications to understand what needs to be migrated and identify dependencies. Then, categorize applications based on the appropriate migration strategy, such as rehosting, refactoring, re-architecting, or rebuilding. Finally, develop a detailed application migration plan that includes timelines, resource allocation, and risk management. Testing and validation. Thorough testing and validation ensure that the new environment functions correctly, minimizing risks and ensuring reliability post-migration. To start with, conduct pre-migration testing to identify potential issues and ensure the environment is properly configured. After plan execution, perform post-migration validation to confirm that applications and data are functioning correctly in the new environment. Finally, make sure to implement monitoring tools to track performance and reliability after the migration. Execution and migration. Executing the migration plan carefully and monitoring progress ensures a smooth transition, addressing issues promptly to minimize disruption. Execute the migration plan by following the outlined steps and managing the transition process. While executing, monitor migration progress in real time to track progress and address any issues promptly. As you go, handle migration issues quickly and effectively to minimize disruption and ensure a smooth transition. Post-migration optimization. Post-migration optimization ensures cost efficiency, performance enhancement, and continuous improvement of cloud operations. Keep optimizing cloud resources to ensure cost efficiency and performance. Implement cost management practices by using cost monitoring tools and adopting cost-saving measures. Continuously improve cloud operations by regularly reviewing and updating the architecture and processes. Skills and operating model. Developing necessary skills and a cloud-centric operating model ensures effective cloud adoption and fosters collaboration between IT and business units. This has to be considered from the initial planning stages and should not be delayed until it is too late to build the proper team and process. Some suggested steps as follows. First, assess the current skills of IT and business staff and identify any gaps that need to be addressed. Second, develop training programs to equip staff with the necessary skills for cloud operations and management. Then implement a cloud-centric operating model by adapting processes, policies, and organizational structure. Finally, make sure to foster collaboration between IT and business units to ensure alignment and effective cloud adoption. A well-thought-out cloud strategy and meticulous planning are critical to the success of your cloud migration journey. By following the steps outlined in this guide, organizations can mitigate risks, maximize benefits, and achieve their business objectives through effective cloud adoption. Whether you are just starting or are in the midst of your migration, having a comprehensive plan will ensure a smooth transition and set the foundation for future growth and innovation. Get ready for an exciting journey as we break down each step with insider tips and essential guidelines in our upcoming videos. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with every new release.